Hello everyone, Justin here and welcome back to another Bizmates for Beginners video lesson where every week we introduce a new idiom, phrase, or expression that you can use in your daily business conversation. This week everyone, let's learn to think outside the box. Alright, so to find out what this means, stay tuned, but first let's do a quick review of last week's class. Alright everyone, so imagine I ask you, how can we reduce costs this year? Alright, so you have a good idea. Alright, so what do you say? Using the expression from last week, I'll give you 5 seconds to think about it. Are you ready? Okay, and go. Alright, and time is up. If you said, well, just a thought, but why don't we create a new system or something like that? Then that's exactly right, but the key point is just a thought, so I hope you remembered it. Alright, so let's move on to this week's expression, which is to think outside the box. Alright, now this is what I sometimes hear. Okay, so again, I'm talking to my good friend and colleague Taro. I say, Taro, we have a big problem. We have a huge issue, and I've been trying to think of a solution to this problem for a long time, but I can't think of a good idea. So he says, well, we have to maybe think differently. All right? If you think the same way, maybe you are going to have the same results and you can't think of a good idea. So we have to think differently. Yes, this is fine. This is great. But you might hear a native English speaker say, well, we have to think outside the box, okay? So here's the box, and if we only think here, it's very limited. So we need to think from a different perspective. We need to think from a different angle. We need to think outside the box, okay? So it's a very good expression, very useful. All right, so pronunciation, please repeat after me, everyone. Think outside the box, okay? So pay attention to the rhythm. Think outside the box, okay? Da, 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 da. All right, so please repeat. We have to think outside the box. Your turn. All right, very good. Now after my question, so how can we solve this problem? Very good. Yeah, we got to think outside the box. Take a different approach, okay? So please remember this for next time. Okay, our bonus question is another way to say, I wanted to ask your opinion. All right, so if you know a better way of saying this, please leave it in the comments below. If not, try to think about it or check out one of our previous videos where we covered a better way of saying this, okay? All right, everyone, so that is it for me this week. Thank you always for watching. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.